guys, it's me, Alexa.
And me, Dad.
Say hi to Dad, subscribers. Merry Christmas. Say hello to my family, subscribers. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Julie.
Oh, Merry Christmas.
Let's open up the present.
That's a fun gift, Mom.
Oh my God! Look at this!
Oh,
The new mittens,
awesome.
like the new gloves.
The rings puzzle.
Oh, that puzzle.
That's what
Okay. Look at this, subscribers.
Can't wait. No.
The gloves.
No, Julie's sitting here. You go back.
Oh, sorry.
Although, I just realized she didn't take the kids' though.
I got a peek.
Look at this gloves.
Let's go. Oh,
That's
that's
the
a little
old one.
lemon tree?
Yeah.
What did you have, Jackson?
No. That's fine. Nicole wears hers every day.
And what do you have, Scarlett?
Uh-oh. Start playing some most into there. What did you get? Jack, what do you get?
Oh, Granddad.
We've got a bag over here too, though.
You do, Grammy?
That's second.
Bags we usually try to recycle and some tissue.
That's good. It has been cleaned up.
Tonight is the Christmas Day parade. I mean, today's Christmas Day.
Alright, Alexa, I'm gonna burn your complete storage on your phone.
Okay,
Don't give me presents.
okay. Good. Merry Christmas, subscribers. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Happy holidays and a very Merry New Year to you too. Bye.